Hello everyone and welcome back to our video all about gardening and outdoor living. Today we are going to show you how to transform a small terrace into a cozy and stylish outdoor nook. If you have a small terrace, don't be discouraged. You can make it look fantastic with just a few simple additions. Start by choosing a style that you love, whether it's minimalist, boho, traditional, or Scandinavian. Then add some green plants to the walls and floor to bring life and color to the space. Next, choose furniture that is space saving and multifunctional. Look for folding furniture, similar scale units, and pieces with additional storage. Built and benches, ottomans, and coffee tables with storage space or shelves are all great options. You can also hang some shelves unit on the walls to save floor space. When it's come to decorating your terrace, focus on making it cozy and inviting. Potted plants and blooms will instantly refresh the space and make it welcoming. And some pillows, blankets, and throws for extra comfort, and consider hanging lanterns, candles, or string light to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you don't have much space, don't worry. You can still add greenery and blooms by hanging them from the walls and screens. And if your terrace allows for it, consider adding a portable fireplace to add even more cohesiveness to the space. In addition to the tips we have already mentioned, there are a few more things you can do to make your terrace feel like a cozy outdoor retreat. Consider adding a rug or mat to define the space and add some texture. You can also add some outdoor artwork or decor to personalize the space and make it feel like an extension of your home. If you live in a city or have noisy neighbors, you may want to consider adding some soundproofing to your terrace. This can be as simple as hanging some outdoor curtains or adding some tall plants to act as a natural sound barrier. Finally, don't forget to consider the weather when decorating your terrace. If you live in a hot climate, you may want to add some shade with an umbrella or pergola. And if you live in a cooler climate, consider adding some outdoor heaters or blankets to keep you warm and cozy on chilly nights. With these tips and tricks, you can turn even the smallest terrace into a cozy and inviting outdoor space that you will love spending time in. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.